Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find connection and sharing. Then let's scroll down and find Reset Wi-Fi Mobile Networks and Bluetooth and tap on Reset Settings. Here we have to enter our pattern or the screen lock to confirm, and we've got also the information that you will not be able to undo this action, so be aware, and that this might take several seconds. So just tap on OK, and then we'll have to wait until we see this information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.